Welcome to Ridhivesh Finance. We are presenting AB Cotspin India Limited, and dear viewers, over here we can say about this company is since in the year of 2015 the company obtained membership of certification Better Cotton Initiative BCI. 2016 accredited is a one-star export house by DGFT. 2018 they have a first prize for large reductions of accident frequency in cotton textile industry, rupees 1 lakh to 5 lakh man hour by Directorate of Fabricated Punjab and Punjab Industrial Safety Council. And 2021 the company holds scope certificates and the certified the products such as Greg yarn fibers, Greg fabric comply with the global organic textile industry. So this is all about this company. We can only see about okay, so this is only we can talk about this company rather than just talking more and more over here. Yeah, we will improve very soonly our video and you will wait and watch, because as of now we can't talk about this. AB Cotspin India Limited. This company's initial name is Ganga Cotex Private Limited. This company is based in Jalandhar in the year of 1997 or from 23rd June onward itself, where the company has received the fresh certificate in the year of 2010, where they have registered their company in Punjab, Himachal Pradesh and Chandigarh. Bearing number they have given of 1997. So see, if any company which is in a textile industry, they really need it. Basically they really need a large amount of a space and all for manufacturing, and this is a yarn based company, so absolutely they are having their manufacturing facility. And AB Cotspin Limited, they have received their new name from Ganga Cotex Private Limited, which was the old name, and they have received this fresh certificate on 24th December 2010 itself. Their register office is 176 Homeland Enclaves, Batinda, Punjab 151001, and their website name is abcotspin.com. so if you see Cotspin, say it is all about nothing but the thread and all. Okay, so this is a yarn based company, and they are having basically their manufacturing facilities to give yarn to the market, and that's the reason we are going to talk about their strategy over here. And this company is primarily engaged in manufacturing of cotton yarn, knitted fabric, cotton seeds, oil cake. Our company has commenced its business in 1997 with the cotton gigging plants, with the cotton bales and cotton seeds being initially products. Thereafter, in the year of 2000, we install a crushing unit to extract oil from cotton and mustard seeds, expand our products basket with the additions of cotton seeds, oil and mustard oil and oil cake. So in the year of 2011, we have a venture in the manufacturing cotton yarn by setting up a spinning plant. In the year of 2014, we have installed knitting machine and thus forayed into manufacturing of knitted fabric. With our expansion over year under the guidance of our management, we have been able to generate revenue of operations rupees 11,536.49 lakh during fiscal year of 2021. We have manufacturing facility located in Jaipur district, Faridkot, Punjab, as on which is install 18,000 spindles for manufacturing cotton yarn. cotton yarn, okay, 441 meters per annum for knitted fabric and 6750 mtpa for oil seeds and oil cake. Over the year, we have invested our manufacturing infrastructure to support our product portfolio requirement and reach. We supply our product domestically. Our domestic revenue operations for 3 months period from the June 30, 2021. Our financial year ended on 31st March 2021, 2020 and 2019. 100%, 100% and 100% and 97.81%. So total revenue from the operation as on a date is they have given the customer being Punjab and Haryana. On the June 30, 2021, we have a warehouse and one shop, 2 warehouse and 1 shop go down to manage our supply chain operation. So this is about their assets we are going to talk over here, and that's it. Because this is a company which is having diverse product portfolio and focus with the quality, and there, see, if any company is into the manufacturing, they needs to be have a long term potential to exist into the market. Cotton yarn is combined yarn, carded yarn and sub and double yarn. They are used making a grey cloth, which is they used manufacturing apparels. Knitted fabric is a single jersey, ribbon, collar and lycra. They're used in manufacturing again apparels. So seed oil and oil cake, cotton seeds, mustard seed cake, cotton seed and mustard seed oil. Cotton seeds oil and mustard of seeds oil is further refined in refineries and used for human consumption. Oil cake are used for cattle feeds. So this is their byproduct and where they have been used it. So if you see cotton seed cakes, they are having a revenue 69.56 rupees in lakh, where in the year of June 30, 2021, and in the March they have 1358.78 rupees in lakhs. So cotton seeds oil on 30 June 2021, 38.27 lakhs, where March 31st they have a 2021 they have a 735.08 lakhs. Cotton seeds, if you see, they have a on June 30, 2021, 0.33 rupees in lakhs, where the March 31st, 2021, they have rupees 265.79 lakhs. Cotton wasted, they have 187.24 lakhs on the June 30th, where 31st March they have a 462.97 lakhs. Cotton yarn, they have a 2177.62 on June 30th, 2021 in lakhs, where 6803.20 lakhs on the March 31st, 2021. So cotton seeds is not available on the June 30, 2021. Probably this is because of the seasonal product, not it's a regular product. On the March 31st, 2021, they have a 773.03 lakhs. Oil GAD is a 0.21 lakhs on June 30, 2021, where the March 31st, 1.9 lakhs on 2021. The clothes, 186.82 lakhs. Cloth, they have written cloth, it's not a cloths. On June 30, 2021, where the March they have 742.77 lakhs. Mustard seeds cakes, they have a 1092.20 June 30, 2021, lakhs were 82.07 lakhs on 31st March 2021. Mustard seed oils on June 30, 2021 in lakhs 263.29 lakhs were on the March 31st 2021 247.67 lakhs on 31st March 2021. The total overall is the on June 30 2021 3,332.54, where on the 31st March 2021 they have 11,473.25 lakhs. Dear viewers, if you see, they have literally do a well, not well basically. We can say, if any company as a manufacturer, if you see, their fiscal year will end on the March, and the overall revenue which we have read about over here was like, it is like there is a based on basically orders, and those order comes when, because this is again agro based product, because see, if you see cotton seeds or the mustard seeds, when comes, it doesn't comes every day, it comes on a seasonal base. So that's the reason we can say, we can see basically this company has did it very well on the 31st March over the June. Okay, because June is like the people will start growing the crops and all. There is total number of employees just 9 only. So it's a low cost investment with the high returns, we can say. Not total number of employees 255 only. Okay, sorry. They also gives a good amount of benefit to their employee, like insurance policies and all, or covering fire and damages and building and plant and machinery, accessories and stocks, bulgari insurance policies, electronic equipments insurance policies, machinery insurance policies, vehicle insurance policy, workman compensation policy, marine export import open insurance policies. Insurance policies are renewed periodically, also they have given that. So if you see, they have 255 employee as they have mentioned over here. And in that case, yeah, this company, see, any manufacturer, when they put their own money into the market, they do well. Okay, this is not a app based company. Manufacturers really do hard work as comparing as any technology based company or any company which is giving which is giving which is giving on the footprint of a technology based. If you bifurcate, a technology based company may fast grow, give good returns, but manufacturer always is a seasonable one. So that's the reason we can say yes, this AB Cotspin is like a long term process. Long term investors can look around this. This is again SME IPO. So you can, if you are unable to invest 1,40,000, you can buy the shares once it got listed into the market. This suggestions is for retail investors. Yeah, if you are holding some securities, you can buy it anytime. AB Cotspin India Limited, one of the SME IPO which is launching on 30 December 2021. IPO issue opening date will be 30 December 2021. IPO closing date will be 3rd Jan 2022, where issue type is book build issue. IPO face value will be 10 rupees per equity share. IPO price will be 35 rupees, band between 33 rupees to 35 rupees per equity share, where minimum you can apply for 4,000 share and maximum you can apply for the same 4,000 shares only. And this will be listing will happen on NSE, National Stock Exchange, and SME. So dear investors and viewers, if you really wanted to apply for this IPO, you should have at least apply 4,000 share is minimum quantity and maximum quantity will be the remain sum. Dear viewers, if you see this company is basically based in Bhatinda, Punjab. So absolutely this may cost you 4,000 shares may cost you 1,40,000 rupees only, and basis of allotment date will happen on 6 Jan 2022. Initiation of refund will happen Jan 7 2022, where credit of shares to your demat account will happen on 10 Jan 2022. IPO listing date will be 11 Jan 2022, and the promoters of the companies, their managing director Mr. Deepak Garg and Pooja Garg are there. So thank you by Vridhivesh Finance. We will come back with another IPO because there are 4 to 5 SME IPOs are going to open the reissue by end of the 2021. So wait and watch for our another video.